Dear students, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering, and myself Bhumika Lehua from Electronics and Communication Department, and my subject is Digital Signal Processing. And today my topic is example based on even and odd signal. Okay. Now हमने previous session में देखा था कि what is the even signal and odd signal. Now in this session we will see different type of the example based on even and odd signal. So now my first example is the unit step. Okay, so unit step is represented by the mathematically x of t is equal to u of t. Now the question is verify this signal is even signal or odd signal. Now this type of the questions are mostly asked in a GTU multiple choice question as well as in gate based exam and any other competitive examination. To check this unit step is even or odd signal. As we know in our previous session हमने देखा कि different type of the properties. Okay, so in property there are if the two signals are combined and if we know signal is individually even or odd, then the combination of signal is even and odd हम property से solve कर सकते हैं. But this is the standard signal. U of t or unit step is the standard signal. Now how can we say that it's even and odd? So by applying the condition of the even and odd signal. So we are applying as a t is equal to minus t. So put t is equal to minus t in our equation. So x of minus t is nothing but the u of minus t. Now what is the u of minus t? As we know, this unit step is represented by u of t is equal to 1 greater equal to 0 and it is 0 when it is less than 0, t less than 0. Suppose I am drawing the graphical form of the unit step. So it's look like this. Okay, so unit step is represented by in this way. For the 0 value and for the greater than 0 value, it's always 1 unit step value. Okay, and for the less than t less than 0, it's always 0. So this is the graphical representation of the unit step. Now when I am applying the t is equal to minus t, so that is x of minus t is equal to u of minus t. How to find out this u of minus t or x of minus t? As we know, we are flipping our signal. So I am just drawing this signal in this way. Okay, so this is nothing but the u of minus t. So now check this. This is the u of t and this is the u of minus t, and both are unequal. So here the condition of x of t is equal to x of minus t, that is not satisfied. Okay, from the graphical representation. Okay, or we can say also in mathematically, as we know u of minus t, here the u of t for the t less than 0 it's a 0, but for u of minus t for the t less than minus 0 it's a 1 value. So it's not a even signal. So the unit step is not even signal. Okay, it's a not even signal. Now we will check this unit step is odd signal or not. Okay, so what is the condition of the odd signal? X of t is equal to minus of x of minus t. Okay, we already find out the x of minus t. We have to just reverse the amplitude of our original signal. Okay, so this one is my x of minus t, or we can say it's a u of minus t. So now just I have to reverse the amplitude of original signal. So this amplitude is plus 1, and if I am drawing minus of u of t, so it's this way. Okay, so this one is nothing but the u of minus t, but in the negative amplitude. Now again I am checking this u of t and is equal to minus u of minus t, both are is not equal. Okay, so again x of t is not equal to minus of x of minus t. So this condition is also not satisfied. So it's not called as a odd signal. So from this we can say that the unit step is neither even nor odd signal. So unit step is neither even nor odd signal. So it's nothing but it's a general signal. Okay, so it's nothing but it's a general signal. So it has both component, even component as well as odd component. So for unit step, we have to find out the even component and odd component. Now how to find out the even component and odd component? So in the previous session, we already discussed about this even component and odd component. So to find out the even component, the definition of the even component in mathematical form, x of et is equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. Same way for the odd component, the formula is x of ot is equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2. So this is the formula for the finding the even and component. As we know, unit step is neither even signal, individual signal, or nor odd signal. Means it has both the even and odd component. So we are finding the even and odd component of the unit step. So the unit step has both even component and odd component. Now how to find out the even component and the odd component? So same way we are putting the value of the u of t and the u of minus t in this equation. Okay, but we can not finding this value by the mathematically. So we are finding the even component and odd component by graphical way. So again u of et. So again, as from the graphical representation, this one is the u of t, okay, and this one is the u of minus t, okay. So this one is the u of t and this one is the, by flipping the signal. So this is the u of minus t. Now how to find out the even component? By addition of this original signal and the flipping signal, okay, and divide this combination by 2. So for I am adding these two signal. So suppose I am adding these two signal. So u of t. So at this level we get the same value of u of t because here the value of u of minus t is 0. Okay. So this one and this one is nothing but the u of t. Same way we are adding this portion to the this portion. So here the value is 0 and this one is the again plus 1. So it's again 1. So for the u of t plus u of minus t, we are getting value 1. For all the value of the t, we are getting the value 1. And this 1 is nothing but it's a constant value. Okay. So it's a constant value. Okay. That means it's a DC value. Okay. And as we know in the previous session, DC signal is a even signal. Okay. So this one is nothing but the u of t plus u of minus t. But to find out the even component, we have to divide our signal by 2. Okay. So this u of t plus u of minus t is divided by 2. So this amplitude is divided by 2. That means our signal is nothing but the its value is 0.5. Okay. So our even component of the unit step is nothing but it's a 1 by 2. It's a 1 by 2 from the formula. Okay. So this one is nothing but the even component. Now to finding the odd component from the formula, we have to just add the x of t minus x of minus t by 2. So x of t is nothing but our original signal, that is the u of t. X of minus t, that means it's nothing but the flipping the signal, that is the u of minus t. But it's a minus of u of minus t. Okay. So just I am reversing the amplitude. So my u of minus t is nothing but in this way. Okay. Now add these two signal. Okay. So suppose I am adding these two signal, then what is the final value? Because we have to add this value. So the final value is nothing but the u of t minus u of minus t is nothing but the in this way. Okay. Okay. And the amplitude is 1. And to find out the u of t minus u of minus 2 divided by 2 for finding the odd component, this value is nothing but the 0.5 value. Okay, so amplitude is divided by 2. Now this form, this signal is nothing but the signum function. Okay, it's nothing but the signum function when the value of this amplitude is 1. So our odd component is nothing but the 1/2. Our odd component is nothing but the 1/2, and this one is the signum function. So 1/2 signum, 1/2 plus 1/2 signum function. So this 1/2 is the even portion of the unit step, and this 1/2 signum function is the odd component of the unit step signal. Now the next example is x of t is given in the graphical form, and to find out the even component and odd component of this signal. So if your signal is given in the graphical form, then always find out the even component and odd component in the graphically form. Okay. So first we are applying the mathematical formula. So x of et is equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. So our original signal, we added it with the time reversal signal and divided by the 2 to finding the even component. How this formula is applied to in the graphical form. So this one is the original signal. So this one is our original signal. Now to find out x of minus t, that is the time reversal property of the signal. So just flipping the signal. Flipping the signal, that means the left hand side signal is flipped to the right hand side and the right hand side signal is flipped to the left hand side. So to draw the x of minus t, just flip the signal. Okay. So to flip the signal, this portion is replaced to this side and this portion is flipped to the this side. So it's nothing but the time reversal signal. Okay. And to find out the even component, add these two signal, original signal plus x of minus t. So this original signal and this one is the time reversal signal. So to add this signal, so we have to find out the value of each and every time. Okay. So see here, this one is, and as we know, this time is always remain same whenever we are flipping the signal. So at the minus 2, its value is 4, right? Its value is 4. This is the constant line. But at the minus t, our original signal is 0. So to add this value at this instant, this 4 plus 0, it's nothing but the 4, right? So for the minus 2, we are getting 4 value, right? And the t is equal to t below the minus 2, sorry, t greater than minus 2. So this line is added to this line. Okay. So this one is the linear line and this one is the DC line. Okay. Now whenever we are applying any linear line with the DC line, then always we are getting the linear line with the same slope. Okay. With the same slope. Here our linear line slope is nothing but the, see here, this one is the 0, 4 and this one is nothing but the minus 2, 0. So the slope is 4 minus 0 divided by 0 plus 2. So that is nothing but the 2. So this slope will remain same by adding this linear line to DC line. So this slope will be remain same when we are taking this value is 8. Check the slope. 8 by 4 is nothing but the 2. So same slope we are getting. Now to draw this portion, so we have to add this portion to this portion and we have to find out this value to the this value. But we are not doing this. Okay. Why? Because as we know, the even signal is always same. Whatever the left hand side will be same at the right hand side and the right hand side will be same as the left hand side. So we are just drawing this signal in this way. Okay. So this value is nothing but the 4. Okay. So this is the even signal. But to finding the even component, we have to divide our x of t plus x of minus t by 2. So this amplitude is divided by 2. So it's nothing but the 2 and this one is the 4 and this one is the 2. So this one is the nothing but the x of et of our graphical x of t. Now to draw the odd component of our original signal, so the formula of the odd component is nothing but the x of t plus x of minus t by, sorry, it's a minus of x of minus t by 2. Okay. So again we redraw our original signal. Okay. So I am just redrawing our original signal. So it's a minus 2 and this one is the 4. Okay. And this one is the plus 2. Right. So this is my original signal. Now x of t minus x of minus t. So first I am drawing the time reversal signal. Okay. So same way this one is the time reversal signal. Okay. So this is the x of minus t. Okay. And x x of t minus x of minus t. So just reverse the amplitude of the x of minus t. Okay, so by reversing the amplitude of the x of minus t, so this one is the 4, so it's nothing but it's a minus 4. Okay, and this one is nothing but in this way, because our amplitude is negative now. Okay, now add this signal to this signal, so it is nothing but the x of t, and this one is nothing but the minus of x of minus t. So x of t plus minus of x of minus t, so it's nothing but the x of t minus x of minus t by 2. So it's a nothing but the odd component. Okay, so how to add this portion to this portion? Okay, so see here, at the minus 2 its value is 0, but at the minus 2 its value is minus 4. So at the minus 2 its value is minus 4, because 0 plus minus 4, that is the minus 4. So we are getting the minus 4 at instant of minus 2. Okay, then after, this one is the DC line and this one is the linear line. So the addition of the linear line and the DC line is nothing but the linear line with the same slope. So our slope of the linear line is 2. So if I am drawing this type of the line, so its slope is always remain same. So here check here, its slope is 2, and at this instant its slope is also 2. So this one is the 0, 0, and this one is nothing but the minus 2, minus 4. So the slope is minus 4 minus 0, that means minus 4 divided by minus 2 minus 0, so minus 2, so its slope is 2. So okay, now to find out this portion to this portion, so we are not applying this method by adding this portion to this portion, we just applying the odd signal property. So the odd signal property is nothing but just we are drawing the reverse of this signal, and the amplitude is the reversal of this signal. So this is nothing but this way. So we are directly applying the odd property by knowing this signal. Okay, so this is nothing but the odd signal, odd component of our graphical signal x of t. Please like it, share it.